Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play this challenge. So on Dress to Impress, there's obviously going to be themes like at the top here. So the number of letters on the theme is how many items I can wear. I do have to count first because I can't just like look at it and be like, oh, I can only wear like 16 items. Who just said wow? Anyways, um well, sometimes votes are unfair, but sometimes I'm very bad at it. Oh my gosh. VICT. Wait. Victorian. What? Victorian vampire. One, two. I'm going to count it when I see the letters again. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I can wear 16 items, so that's good. So I'm going to just be a vampire. I don't really want it super like bright. Maybe this color actually. Sorry, I know like the girl had that on. Also, custom makeup does not count, I think. Victorian vampire. What's that supposed to mean? Like honestly, hopefully I create something good with this. I would do like the vampire mouth, but sometimes it's not it. Where is it? I can do this one. Oh my god. Okay, that's a slay. Let me add like a blush. Or not. No. Never mind. And for the hair, we are going to use this iconic one. I know everybody uses that, but I need it too. And let's use this one, and I'm going to maybe use this one at the end to make her hair bigger. Everything's bigger in Texas. Does like hair count for items? I think it does. Okay, I already have 3, so 13 left. Right, alright. I'm obviously going to wear this, but just the, like, whatever this is called. I don't know. I'm trying to like make it Victorian and not really like vampire like, but it's kind of hard. Okay, let's put that rose pattern. That's giving something. Really want this to be put on, but oh, you can put this on. How did I just know that right now? Okay, I'm gonna put it on. Maybe I'll take it off later. I'm not sure. I might put this necklace on as well, because it's giving a Victorian, you know? I'm gonna make it a little bit lighter so you guys can actually see the necklace. How many is that? 1. Okay, so 10 more items. Oh my. Ooh, I do know that I want this. Wait, where is it? This one. And then I'm going to use the toggle because that counts as 1 anyways. And I think I'm gonna do I want to do like some like sleeves on it. Maybe wait, I'm not a fan of the shoes. Never mind. I'll get back to that later if I want it back. This one's a fit. This one's cute. All right. What else should I put? Ooh, I have this dress, so why not use it to my advantage? I haven't actually used it at all, so yes. What else? I need to wear 16 items. That's like the issue. You can see that, so I'm gonna put that in. Oops. I'm gonna put it as matte. Ooh, an umbrella, cause Victorian, you know. Maybe I should put something like on the like head, like a headpiece. Would a crown be like? Oh, I know. I was like, would a crown be too much? Yes. But what about this? I do want to like add the spikes. I'm not going to make them that bright though. I don't know if I like the spikes actually. Maybe not. Alright, it's fine. Let's add more necklaces to it. Let's add this. What else should I add? How many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I need to add 5 more items. What? Okay. Oh, I don't know if we should do gloves, but we should. But I don't know. Let's just use this one. What else? Can I add this? Like, would that be too much? No. Not for me. Oh my god, I'm running out of time. Oh my god, I can't even see that. I'm gonna add the umbrella. But you can't see everything. You know what? This is a failed challenge, but that's okay, because, you know, sometimes I just can't be adding more stuff to this outfit. Like, it's already good. Chains only, maybe? Make it red. Okay, that's the sleigh. How many items do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. God. Let's add this. Can't even see that. 15. I mean, I did do one less, but okay, I did 16. I mean, you can't see it, but you know it's too late. And let's go to the runway. Okay. Oh, I should have done earrings, but to be honest, I don't think you can see it in my outfit. I'll do like a 3 or a 2. I mean, I'll do 3. I mean, I don't know what to do. I'll do a 2. Oh my gosh, there is a vampire pose. That's good. Ooh, I actually quite like this. Maybe she didn't have time to finish it. But, oh, it was so good though. What about this one? I mean, I'll give it a 2 as well. It's more like a spider, like a Victorian spider than a vampire, if you will. Oh, who's next? Oh my gosh, they need to stop with this like wing combo. Like, they need to stop. I'm giving her 1 solely because she put on a wing. I'm so sorry. I know, like, I don't have the best outfit either, but no. No. Even though, like, maybe they will vote unfairly, like me probably, but okay. She did use, like, I mean, they did use, like, a vampire face, so I'll give it 3 points for that. Even though the outfit is, like, kind of mid. But it's giving vampire. You know? Why does the eye kind of look like Taylor Swift? like the shape of it, obviously. Here's me next. I'm a vampire. Oh, I should have done the sleeves red. Whoops. Okay, slay. I don't think I'm gonna win, but I tried, alright. Okay, I'll give it a 3 as well. Actually, I'll give it a 4. Because it's kind of... Oh, I should have worn that on the, like, head instead of flowers. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, okay. Someone just added me at random. I'll give it a 3 as well. Kind of like this one. I mean, except for the, like... It looks like a Santa, like, sleeve, you know? Maybe she forgot to color it. But besides that... Oh, no. I mean, and the fur boots, too. I just saw them right now. Okay, I'll give it a 3. No, I'll give it a 4. Or a 3. I don't know. I don't know what to do. And I probably lost, but that's okay. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.